Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. I'm Brent. Today it's a 12 GT manual transmission running 93 octane. We installed the E4 Supercharger. We're going to go down and take a look. We are going to watch that dyno pull. And hey, if you like the E4 Supercharger, maybe you have a 3-valve Mustang, Gen 1 Coyote like this, or even an S550, I will put a link to the playlist at the end. You can watch tons of videos on that. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, before we watch that dyno pull, we're going to take a look. So what do we install today? Well, we have a set of Kooks long tube headers. We installed the GT500, 1314 GT500 cooling fan, much better than the factory fan. Rear cylinder head cooling kit. Those are awesome. But let's take a look right here, Doug. It's the intercooled, it's the E4 Supercharger. It's what we call our 650E kit. You get 47-pound fuel injectors, Kenny Bell boost pump, Kohler spark plugs, of course, proper calibration. We normally use the Edelbrock competition air intake system. It's been on back order forever, so we are running a Roush air intake system on this today. But in the future, once the Edelbrock ones come back, we will be installing one of those on this for even more power. Check out this dyno pull. Before we look at these numbers, don't forget, link in the description. You can click on it, read about the parts I'm telling you about right now, and you email quote@brenspeed.com and say, what's that cost to get installed? Doug, check this out. Dynojet SAE, 555 real horsepower through the manual. Torque comes in at 495. That's awesome. Pretty instant torque on the old E-Force, right? You go wide open throttle. I love it. Check out the 12 GT right here. Cool looking car. I like it a lot. You have no idea looking at this, it's making that much power. So hey, again, I'm Brent. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And like I said earlier, quote@brenspeed.com is how much does this cost to get installed. We do have different power levels. We have different superchargers available for these. We have a lot of different options. Thanks for watching.